All right, if you've been on the internet lately, you're hearing that business credit works. Some people say it doesn't work. And at the end of the day, let's really break it down from a legal perspective. In all reality, there's a law that's called the 12 CFR 1002.2. It's part of the Equal Credit Opportunity Act, ECOA, a federal regulation designed to prevent discrimination in lending. This specific section comes from Regulation B, which implements ECOA and is enforced by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. What this does is that it defines the term creditor under the law. Here's a simplified version. A creditor is any person or business that regularly extends, renews, or continues credit, including anyone who arranges for someone else to extend credit or participates in decisions such as setting loan terms. This includes banks, finance companies, credit unions, auto dealers. That's another thing a lot of people have been talking about, the Truth in Lending Act, but that's another story. Anyone involved in credit set decisions, even if they don't lend directly. And why this matters is the definition matters because creditors are legally bound to follow fair lending rules under ECOA and cannot discriminate on the basis of race, color, religion, national origin, sex, marital status, age. I think most of us already kind of know this law, but the practical impact of this is if you're applying for personal credit or business credit, this law ensures you can't be unfairly denied or given worse terms based on who you are. All creditors, as defined by this law, must comply with these protections. Therefore, if you go to apply for something and they say, unfortunately, we need your Social Security, they have to give you a written decision if you have the revenue, if you have the pedigree to be able to finance that loan, you should be able to get qualified under that specific law. Anything else doesn't matter. Every guru on the internet that says that business credit does not work, unfortunately, they can't speak from a legal perspective because they're not an attorney and they don't understand this law. For any more information, feel free. Read the captions. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.